Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about battery life saving tips and tricks. Right now, I'm using iOS 18.2. Battery life is going really good. Many people are now using iOS 18.2, but still people are facing lot of battery life issues. I'm getting a lot of comments from you guys regarding battery life issues. So I thought, why not I make another video in which I talk about tips and tricks to improve the battery life of your iPhone. In the first section of this video, I'm going to share few tips and tricks. In the second section of this video, I'm going to share some settings you can do. So without any further delay, let's get jump into this video. First thing first I want to show you the battery stat of my life for inspiration. So I will go to the settings. I will go to the battery over here. Let the battery stats load. Last 10 days. On this day, as you can see, I used almost 60% of my battery life over here. It is today, and I got 8 hours of screen on time. If I go back couple of days back, I used almost over 75% of battery life over here, and I got almost 7 hours 30 minutes screen on time. But this is insane. This is really good, and you can also get this much good battery life on your iPhone. Now, without any further delay, let's get jump into and let's talk about how you can improve the battery life of your device. So let's start with the very first thing is the battery settings optimization. So go to the battery, first go to settings and go to the battery, go to the battery health and charging over here. Over here you will see the optimized battery charging option over here. Just turn this on. It helps to try to maintain your battery around 80%, which is really good for the battery health. For the newer iPhones, there is a slider that can allow you to change, so you can keep it that to 80% or 85%, or you can also go for 90%. That will be a really good thing, but turning this off can let you enhance the battery life of your iPhone. No, I know there is a new feature known as live activities. Live activities is really cool. Everyone loves it. But live activities also consume a lot of battery. So what you can do is you can turn off the live activities for your different applications. For example, if I go to the apps over here and from here I go to the Instagram, and Instagram do have live activities. If I'm in the Instagram, this is the live activities option over here. It is turned on. If you really care about the battery life, you can turn off the live activities from here. It will help to improve the battery life of your iPhone. It depends upon you. Now going back from here, what you can also do is you can customize the notifications for your iPhone. Basically, whenever a new notification pops up, it uses different resources in the background, and whenever resources are being used, it definitely consumes more battery life. So if you see my uh, device over here, most of the notifications are turned off, like App Store is turned off, many other apps are turned off. You will find many few applications for that I have notification turned on the notification off, or as you can see off, like very important notifications. For example, Fiverr over here, or Gmail over here, or WhatsApp over here, or Outlook over here is turned on. Other than most of the notifications are turned off. By doing this, you will also able to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. Now, what you can also do is you can limit the widgets on your display. Well, if I go to the battery over here and show you the battery stats, let the battery stats load over here. Now, over here, you see this home and lock screen almost 2 hours. Now, basically, what it is, there are widgets on my lock screen. These are three different widgets. Widget on a top. Now, this is a widget that is always refreshing because it's a weather widget. And also when you go back to my home screen over here, this is a stack widget. There are a couple of widgets over here. This is a weather widget that is always refreshing. Over here, there's another stack widget. Okay, over here there are a lot of widgets. As you can see, these widgets are refreshing. This is also refreshing every time. This is also refreshing every other time. Now these widgets consume a lot of battery life. So what you can do is you can limit the widgets. You can, for example, there are three weather widgets. You can make it one, or you can just customize your home screen and choose most important widgets. if there are widgets that are not that important, you can just close them or turn them off. This way you will also able to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now also, now there is a thing, there is a dark mode on your iPhone. Now this is especially for the people who are you having iPhone with the OLED display. You can turn on the dark mode. iPhones with the OLED display, when they are on the dark mode, very less battery is consumed. Well, you can if I show you, this is how the light mode looks like. It's pretty. I really like the light mode version, but for the sake of the battery life, I always prefer to use dark mode, and it is also less hard on the eyes. So instead of a light mode, just go for the dark mode. Or even if you don't want to use dark mode every single time, what you can do is you can, customize your dark mode. So go to your settings, and from settings, what you can do is go to the display and brightness over here. You can make the dark mode automatic, like you can change the settings whenever you want the dark mode and when you want the light mode. This can also help to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now it's time to talk about few settings that you can turn off to improve the battery life of your iPhone. First thing first, while in the settings, go to the search over here. When you are over here, there is an option help Apple improve search. Well, it is not for you, it is for the Apple. It is running in the background, consuming different sort of resources. Just turn this off. As you can see, for me, it is also turned off. So just turn this off. When you go back from here, go down, go to the privacy and security over here. Now this section is very important. Let's start with the very first thing. Go to the location services, go all the way down to the system services. Over here, now customize system services according to your choice. As you can see, few are on and few are off. If there's something that I think I'm not gonna ever use, I just turn that off. I don't use HomeKit at all, so that is turned off. So according to your need, you can turn off settings from here. Now go down over here under the product improvement section. There are three different settings. By default, they are always on. While you can turn them off, they're not helping you any possible way. They are for the Apple, and again they are using resources in the background. So just turn them off to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Well, when you go back from here again, go to the tracking over here. There is tracking for every other application. Turn off for every other application. You don't need this to turn on. Go back from here, go all the way down to the analytics and improvements. From here, turn this off too. When it is turned on, it is basically sharing data with the Apple to improve the iOS, your device, and blah blah blah. Well, you don't need this to just turn this off. It will also help to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now from here, go back again in the Apple advertising, turn this off too. They are regarding the ads. You don't need personalized ads at all. So just turn this off too. Now these are the settings that you can do to improve the battery life of your iPhone. Now make sure one thing, when you follow these things, don't expect the battery life to get better just in a couple of minutes. It might take 1 day to 2 day to get better. So after applying these settings, wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. I'm hoping the battery life will get better. As I just showed you, the battery life on my phone is really good, and I do follow these steps. Well, this is all from this video. I really wanted to make a video for you guys, and well, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section below. If you need any sort of help with a battery life or performance, again, let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.